We have celebrated and laughed together, and even lost our voices singing together. You know us as event producers, celebration experts, community partners, but we're also your neighbors, and you, our friends. As part of an extended family, coming together during the best of times and in times of great need. Over many shared experiences, as a community, to reflect, give thanks, and hope for the future. Together.
And when all is said and done,
you will find us here waiting
with open arms
and an open heart
to laugh and sing together.
We'll see you again.
We'll see y'all soon.